12 amazing benefits of baking soda water daily. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, it is a common household ingredient with numerous health benefits. When consumed in moderation by mixing it with water, it can serve as a natural remedy for various ailments and enhance overall well-being. In this video today, we will explore the 12 amazing benefits of drinking baking soda water daily. The number one is aids digestion and release acidity. Yes, one of the primary benefits of baking soda water is its ability to neutralize stomach acid. If you frequently experience acid reflux or indigestion, drinking a glass of water with a small amount of baking soda can provide quick relief by balancing the pH levels in your stomach. Number two, helps in detoxification. Baking soda acts as a natural detoxifier, flushing out toxins from the body. It supports kidney function and helps remove harmful substances, reducing the risk of developing kidney stones and other related conditions. Number three, supports kidney health. For those with kidney related issues, baking soda water can be beneficial in maintaining a healthy pH balance. It reduces the acidity in the bloodstream and eases the burden on the kidneys, preventing the formation of kidney stones. Let's talk about number four, improves pH balance in the body. An overly acidic body can lead to various health issues such as fatigue, inflammation, and weak immunity. Baking soda water helps restore the natural body's pH balance, promoting overall health and preventing the onset of chronic diseases. Number 5. Boost energy levels. By maintaining the right pH balance in the body, baking soda water enhances oxygen levels and improves cellular function. Now, this leads to increased energy and better stamina, making it a great addition to your daily routine. Number 6. Enhances your exercise performance. Athletes often use baking soda as a natural performance enhancer. It reduces the muscle fatigue and prevent lactic acid buildup, which can cause soreness and discomfort after intense workouts. Drinking baking soda water before exercising may help induce the endurance in your body and recovery as well. Let's talk about the number 7, which is supports your oral health as well. Now, baking soda is a common ingredient in toothpaste because of its ability to remove plaque and whiten your teeth. Drinking baking soda water or using it as a mouth rinse can help to neutralize the bacteria in the mouth, keeping your breath fresh and your teeth very strong. Let's talk about the number 8, which is strengthens the immune system. Since baking soda helps maintain an alkaline pH level, it can boost the immune system, making it easier for the body to fight off infections. Regular consumption can help prevent colds, flu, and other illnesses. The number 9, promotes heart health. Some studies suggest that baking soda water can help reduce cholesterol levels and regulate the blood pressure. It prevents excess acid buildup in the blood, which may contribute to better cardiovascular health over time. Let's talk about the number 10, which is aids in weight loss. Now, drinking baking soda water can support weight loss efforts by improving digestion and reducing bloating. It also has balanced your pH levels, allowing the body to burn fat more efficiently. However, it should be confined and combined with a healthy diet and exercise for the best results. Number 11, improves your skin health. Yes, baking soda has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Now that help clear up skin issues like acne and irritation. Drinking baking soda water helps detoxify the body from inside, leading to a clearer and a healthier skin. Yes, helps reduce urinary tract infections, UTIs. Now, baking soda water can help alleviate symptoms of UTIs by neutralizing the acidity in urine. Now, this creates an environment where bacteria cannot thrive, speeding up recovery and reducing discomfort. Now, how to prepare baking soda water? Now, to enjoy these benefits, mix 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water, 8 ounces, and drink it on an empty stomach or between the meals. However, it is important not to overconsume it as excessive intake can lead to some health issues as well. And if you have blood pressure or kidney disease or you are on a sodium restricted diet, consult your doctor before adding baking soda water to your routine. Let's talk about the final thoughts. That is, drinking baking soda water daily in the right amount can be an effective natural remedy for various health concerns. From digestion to detoxification, energy levels, and immune support, the benefits are vast. So, would you consider trying baking soda water for any of these benefits? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and do like to this video as well. Thanks for watching the video. We'll meet you in the next time.